So I said, God, please forgive me for my wrongs, and me and my friends, we gonna do it to the end. Let's win. Win. God, forgive me for the things I'm about to do to get my family out the hood. I tried what I thought was everything, now I'm out here looking for more. Searching for that open door. I tried what I thought was everything, now I'm out here looking for more. Searching for that open door. She raised me in the hood, kept us under the hood, worked hard to keep us stable. She did what she could to try to show she was it, where pros that we stood to feed our own table. She the reason for my mind and my crime and the knowledge, religion, and them thoughts that was missing. And it's like cooked food, but it's sorta like a Rubik's Cube, cause everybody got different views. You choose, gonna be a red stop sign or blues clue. Smart lady through my life, she told me my life every day working, trying to make it right. And this is the person that raised me, basically made me work hard to try to save me. I gotta get her out of here. If it's the only thing I do, me being successful is the only thing I'm proving. You lose. God, forgive me for the things I'm about to do to get my family out the hood. I tried what I thought was everything, now I'm out here looking for more. Searching for that open door. On the left. I tried what I thought was everything, now I'm out here looking for more. Searching for that open door. My real, my cousins, my brothers, my family from another, my sister, my young ones, and pop stepped down. And the older got older and they started moving out. Connections started fading, but we stayed close. Damn, I got in trouble for wearing they clothes. They seen all my wrongs even when I'm doors closed, but never stopped me in anything that I wanted to be. Youngest of four, just my mom and me. One of my brothers gone fighting at 9/11. I know he in heaven when the four of us around. This is peace missing. Lord, forgive me for the things I'm about to do to get my family out the hood. What I tried was everything, but there's so much more. Trying to break these chains on these open doors. I can't quit now. What am I starting this for if I'm trying to get more and more? God, forgive me for the things I'm about to do to get my family out the hood. I tried what I thought was everything, now I'm out here looking for more. Searching for that open door. I tried what I thought was everything, now I'm out here looking for more. Searching for that open door. Alright, let's go. This is my new single, I need y'all to rock with me. You can check this out on the radios. Y'all can request it too, it's my last word. You know how I go. What's the word? Yo, she's pretty as a Lambo. 2 humps on her back, Wednesday camo. Ride a shotgun, holster, like 2 cakes wrapped up in a hostess. Focus, no dodge, black magic. Haters sliding on the carpet, they got static. Look that I love it, you know I'm an addict. Own it like a maverick, when it is a habit. Draft pick, working hard to live lavish. No laugh stuff, I'm just trying to live lavish. Smoking on that, what you smoking on that? All about my cash, yes, I'm a savage. I need carrots, summer's here, so I need those Bugs Bunny drawers. Have it, fall back through these methods. Never gonna have it, steps in the name, you mad at it? You see me working at it? Hey, hope you ain't mad at it. I'ma keep working at it, because I'm an addict. Baby, I see you working at it. I ain't mad at it. Go ahead, just keep working at it. I know you an addict. Changing lanes, no signal. Old joint, I hit the jackpot, no bingo. Hey, Dingo, full of chips, chill, pop you off. Pringle, haters to the stage, what they wanna do, Dingo. She say I never go busy, signal. And you ain't single, I'm living single. Headed to the strip club, throwing single. Yeah, it's just me and my amigos, blow chucks, blow socks, strap, pack in. Queens dude, by any means, dude. Things dude, just here, doing what we can, we gon' do what we hit. Southside Queens made, I'm just doing it. Check out my hat, my logo, you know I'm really doing it. So, you see me working at it. Hope you ain't mad at it. I'ma keep working at it, because I'm an addict. Baby, I see you working at it. I ain't mad at it. Go ahead, just keep working at it. I know you an addict. Hold up. hold up, 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 hold up. What's up, y'all? Jamaica Ave. People walking by, people watching us. I mean, y'all gotta give it up, people even coming on stage. You know what I'm saying? Those young ones is looking, they trying to figure out how to do what we doing. This is not just something that you come on stage and just do, or it's for everybody. People take their time out to really do this. This is what we do. It's hard work, dedication, blood, sweat, and tears. We've been doing this for a while. We try to get a lot of venues. This thing's opened up a lot of doors for a lot of families. Ask the guy from Hot 97, he know what it's about. He on the radio Hot 97. Am I lying, Tom? No, I'm not lying. So, let's do this again. Let's do it. Let's do it for the ladies. Let's do it for the ladies. Let me do it for the ladies. Where the ladies at? Ladies, raise your hands. Say what's up to me. Whatever y'all want to do. How y'all doing? I love the ladies. No disrespect at all. Let's do it. You all on my mind. That what? That big girl is so fine. Good God, what I gotta do to make you mine? You go, girl, go. You right on time. Her mind right, her game right, she got it all. With no makeup, she still kill them all. She all tatted up still, full of it all. And she count bills, easy like no grills. Best thing on high heels, just there caught my eyes still. She fall sight with my eyesight, still let her pass with my hindsight. You moonlight, God bless you girl, the zoom tight. I do right, I do two rights, cause you too right. High speed, red light, green light, go. You all on my mind. That what? That face, girl, you so fine. Good God, what I gotta do to make you mine? You go, girl, go, you right on time.
Think you funny?
She got some little Kim in her, mixed with Nicki, I don't know how I'm gon' deal with her. She keep me laughing like Regina Hall. Like, hey, Michelle, your girl got what? I got Hall. Word. And she keep it classy like Edo. Good money like she's free throw. Beyonce Carter, my Nino. I need a Palmer and Kiki. Role playing to Chili. Me alone on my Fridays. I love it if you still with me. Word up, word up. You all on my mind. That what? That bitch girl, you so fine. Good God, what I gotta do to make you mine? You go, girl, go, you right on time. Great legs, body work. You service up, pass the body work. Since you the word, say that word. Since you the word, now say that word. Now go. Now go. Go. Now go. Hold on. I'm sorry. I gotta do this myself. I mean, be very independent. I just want to get in my bag right quick. I really want to get y'all to know me, quite a last word, because I am human.